Farmers in the past few days are what we've seen, and this is across states, have been protesting also against another decision that has been taken by the central government. This is across the northern belt of the state that we've seen. We saw these massive protests in Haryana and then in Punjab as well against the recent government ordinance on agriculture, the Essential Commodities Ordinance, the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Ordinance here, as well as the Price Assurance Ordinance. Remember, a lot of this is further going to be discussed in the ongoing monsoon session here as well. First one up, that is for discussion in Parliament, which would in fact come in shortly. Today itself, farmers now with this amendment that has been proposed, they fear that these new policies would kill the MSP privilege that the farmers have, which is the minimum support price of their produce. It will kill their MSP privilege and also lead to an exploitation by corporates. If there are more private players coming into the agriculture industry here, this would mean that they could be taken over by corporate lobbies. This is their biggest concern. Opposition here now also claims that ordinances promulgated without consulting the states, particularly when this is an agriculture subject, it is state specific, should have been taken into account.
मोदी सरकार से जो मोदी साहब के प्रवक्ता हैं जो टीवी पे बोल रहे हैं कि हम किसानों को आज़ादी दिलाने जा रहे हैं, वो आज़ादी नहीं दिलाने जा रहे, वो सारे पंजाब के देश के किसानों को कारपोरेट के गुलाम बनाने जा रहे हैं। तो हम उनसे अपील करते हैं भी मोदी साहब, अगर कोई हिंदुस्तान में लोकतांत्रिक सरकार है तो उनको भारत के लोगों को, भारत के किसानों मजदूरों की बात सुननी चाहिए।